Hey Chris, check this out. You down?
9 million Scoville, which is 900 times hotter than a jalapeno. Look at that little tag in there.
You buy it, I'll eat it, I guess. Done. Oh, he's not really gonna buy it, is he?
1 week later.
Hey Chris, guess what showed up in the mail today? What is going on, everybody? So my buddy Justin thought that the Death Nut video was hilarious, and he wanted to buy the world's hottest chocolate for me to eat, I guess. So I'm gonna head over to his house and eat it. Enjoy. Yeah, I'm not looking forward to this at all. Alright. So, world's hottest chocolate, apparently. 9 million Scovilles. So not quite as bad as the Death Nut Challenge, but I'm sure this is going to be horrific. So, I think there's, what, 12 pieces in here, you said? Tonight's video is brought to you by the audio shop RC. Thanks, Justin.
Anytime.
Oh my god, it's so little. Oh. Oh, Jesus. I really don't want to do this, buddy.
Doesn't smell.
Okay. Oh. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna cut it up. I think I'm just gonna eat it. Do you want to try a bite?
Hell no.
No?
No.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
I'll cut a little square off. It doesn't smell hot. Really. I mean, it's got it. Yeah, it does. There's... Oh, boy. Alright.
You can tell us about that car before or after.
About my car? Yeah. So, I'm going to try to talk through... oh, that's hot. It just touched my tongue and it's hot. So anyway, while I'm eating through this, for those of you that don't know, I acquired a 96 Accord wagon that's right-hand drive, and I'm going to try to talk through what oh, that's hot. Talk through what my plan is for the build, and we'll see how that goes, though. Oh my god. Now I really don't want to put this in my mouth. That was... like, literally, there's a tooth mark on it, and it's hot. Alright. Well, that's hot. That's really hot. The chocolate tastes good, though. And it's not terrible. Oh, God. This might be worse than the Death Nut Challenge. Oh. I'm sweating already. Oh my god. Oh. Oh boy. Oh, it's so hot. Oh. Oh my god.
So we're gonna do on that car.
Well, the plan is 5-speed swap first, because it's an automatic. Gotta get rid of that. Got a H22 that, oh boy, I plan on putting in it. Turbo kit. I need a really wild paint scheme for it though. Any suggestions, comments, please? Oh my god. How long's this been? Like what, a minute maybe? Oh, my eyes are watering. You know, Lord, I'll maybe throw a picture in there somewhere of what it looks like now. It needs wheels. Have Justin do the audio in it. I don't know what we're planning on. Like some 6.5 inch subs or something sweet. Shut up, Alexa, please. Oh, all right. I can't take it. I'm gonna try a magic berry. I don't know if it'll do anything or not, but oh dear Lord, they're supposed to make stuff funky with your taste buds. I'm gonna try it anyway, see if it helps, because this is really bad. Hopefully they don't go bad over time. Oh my god, it's not dissolving. Oh boy. That little chocolate's the devil. Oh. They're not helping. I don't think. I thought that was going to help a lot. I'm really upset it doesn't. Oh, it is. It is helping some. A little bit. Oh my god. This is intense. Like, wow. Oh. So yeah, that's a real short gist of what. Uh-oh. Bottle opener? Real short thing of what I'm gonna do with my new car. There should be videos of that coming out soon. Like, oh my god. This beer's delicious, by the way. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. Alright, I'll be back in a little bit. Oh.
Hopefully.
Oh. Oh my god. Just puked hard. It's super hot. It's burning in my nose now thanks to throwing up. Well, it's been 15 minutes probably since I ate it, and it's bearable-ish now. Fuck, it's hot. It's kind of like with the death nuts that I ate before. If I keep a liquid in my mouth, it really calms the burn. But oh my god, it's still hot. My lips hurt. Oh, I haven't puked in a long time. That wasn't fun. Oh. But now that it's all out, maybe it won't hurt so bad tomorrow. I'll give you an update. I don't think I said in the last Death Nut video that oh, my hands are shaking. The next day, about half the day, it was when you got a really bad flu and your guts are just cramping and it's burning coming out for till about noon. Off and on, just straight liquid, just killer. That was almost worse than actually eating them. So I'm dreading that the most. And I ate Little Caesars tonight, so that definitely won't help. But anyway, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, share it. Let other people enjoy my misery. And if you want, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, comment if I'm a sissy, whatever. Let me know. Give me paint scheme ideas for my car. I want to do something wild, like full holographic paint job. I don't know, like glitter bomb. I could skull the whole thing, airbrushed, whatever. Let me know. I need some ideas. Thanks for watching.